Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog. Back up in here with another one of them things, man. I'm on the GoPro right now. I don't know what's been going on with my GoPro, but the last couple times that I used it, it was just cutting off on me, man. Like, it was just shutting down in the middle of the video. So I'm really doing a test video right now to see if it's gonna do that again. Let me grab the case. Grab the case, put y'all in the case. Boom, like that. Oh, let me let y'all see it. Let me let y'all see the case. Little case, GoPro case. Let y'all see the case. Y'all in the case. Snap. Now, get the tripod. Let me see. Y'all can see that. GoPro tripod. Unscrew that. And I'm over here watching Cool It Be Coolin', man. Let me see how do you put this in. Like this, like this. Get it right quick. Now I'm at I'm at this place, man. DHL. They carrying carrier supplies like the air conditioning and stuff. Man, it's always some BS when I come that way. As of lately, as of like the last 2 weeks, they changed something. I know they got rid of the old security crew that was in there, and it's been downhill ever since then. So yeah, dealing with that. So I just decided I start doing me a video. So this is, like I said, it's like a test video, man, to see if the camera gonna cut off. It ain't cut off yet, but I don't want to rule it out because yeah, it just, I don't know why I was doing that. Matter of fact, it was doing it the night that I was trying to get the office tool in MayRose, and it was just cutting off. I don't know why I was doing it, but yeah. But anyway, man, I'm at the workhouse, man. I got some good content, man, coming that y'all probably can appreciate. Probably gonna appreciate. And it's to the Redbird, man. Fire chicken. I ain't gonna say the Redbird, I'm gonna say the fire chicken. Kang dubbed the Firebird the fire chicken, man. So I think we're gonna roll with that. But yeah. So let me I've been in it 3 minutes now, and I ain't cut off yet, so I don't know. Maybe it was that battery or something. I don't know what it was, but I don't know. But yeah, let me go and get up out of this spot, because this ain't gonna work for me. I gotta roll. But yeah, hopefully I may start on this project today, as far as getting all the stuff that I need for it. But yeah, I think y'all will be. I'ma love it. I'm gonna love it. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'ma love it. So, hopefully y'all will too. But yeah, let me go ahead and get up out of here, man. The camera ain't cut off. It's been 4 minutes, so the camera ain't cut off. So let me go ahead and get up out this spot. Probably finna get off because it's probably not even nothing else going on. And yeah, hopefully I can see what I can get into with it. Yo, hopefully my camera don't cut off. My GoPro don't cut off while I'm making this video for y'all, man. Pull these down. But yeah, so just got to the crib, and y'all know I still been having, well, maybe y'all don't know, or maybe you do, I don't know. I don't even remember if I said it or not, but I still been having problems with the fried chicken, man. Still been having problems. So, like I said, Kane said to check the spark plug, He said the spark plug didn't look bad. He said, okay, so that don't look bad, then check the injector. Check the injector. He was asking me to take one injector off and put it in another spot and see if the mist moves. If I take this off, I don't want to do it no more. This car got these injectors. This car, it got 201,000 miles, I think. So what I did was I bought some new injectors, man. You know what I'm saying? We got some new AC Delco injectors. So what I'm about to do, which I don't want to do, but what I'm about to do is go ahead, pop these fuel rails off, pop these injectors out, and yeah, pop these new ones in and see if the car run better. If it run, hopefully this will solve my problem, because I done changed the EGR. I done put a whole new throttle body on here. The MAF sensor is still the same. This bitch is doing what it's been doing. So I kind of eliminated if it's the MAF sensor. Now I don't even know, because I ain't even showing a code for that. Like all the codes that was showing at first, not even showing no more. It's just showing cylinder 6 misfire. So I'm about to see if I can put these on and everything be cool. I gotta see, because I don't know. But I will tell you this. I'm gonna go ahead and say this, man. This swap, it is, I'm telling you now, it's the swap is coming, dog. Like I can't do this no more. Also, man, we got another upgrade coming to the fried chicken, man. And I think y'all gonna really like it, man. I think y'all, I locked the door. Y'all gonna really like it. I'ma love it. I ain't gonna lie, I'ma love it. It's gonna throw me back to, you know what I'm saying, some previous endeavors that I've had going on in my life, you know what I'm saying, with my cars. So that's gonna really, you know what I'm saying. And I didn't even know this was possible. Even though I was skeptical about it, I was like, man, I wonder, could I do that? Like, I wonder, like, just looking at the car, like, man, I wonder. Anyway, I ain't finna get too far into that. But yeah, man, so I guess I'm finna go ahead tonight before boats. Go ahead and pop these fuel rails out. Hopefully I can just raise them up a little bit to where I ain't gotta take off too much. Just raise them up, pull them out. I don't know how this finna go. Cause it's like I'm finna have to take off a lot of stuff to get to that, and I really don't want to. So let me do that, and I'll hit y'all right back. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Man himself. Man, I'm coming in here. Just look, I just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Gang has its own perks and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done it already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy those enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. Alright, the hard part over. So new injectors are in. New injectors are in. Now, let's just hope nothing goes wrong. We're putting all this stuff back together. They go in there how they supposed to. They do what they need to do, and I can be done with this little project because I don't want to do this shit anyway. I didn't. I really didn't. I did not want to do this, but here we are. So let me go ahead and try to. Well, let me go and wiggle this back in here because it shouldn't be hard to put it back. You know what I'm saying? It really, once I took the fuel lines off, it wasn't hard to once I took the fuel lines off, it wasn't even hard to get it out. I was trying to cut corners, man, and not take all this stuff out of here. So let me see what we got, man, and yeah. Whew. It's crazy. Alright, let's put these things back. These old jumps kind of, they just look, oh, I don't know what a bad injector look like though, so y'all might can tell me, but I don't know. Either way, I hope this solves my problem, cause I ain't really got the funds to swap this thing right now. So, and I ain't really trying to dump no whole bunch of money into no V6. I'm not trying to do that. So, yeah. What did you say? I don't say Delphi. Okay. So let me get on back in here. I'll be right back. Yo. So we back. This is what we got, y'all. We still got a miss, but it ain't like it was at first. So I don't know what that is. It's still a miss. Like I said, I don't know, but I gotta run off, so I'll check it when I get back. But it's definitely not missing like it was. I don't know, but I gotta run. I got 2 hours, a little under 2 hours now, to go and do something on this project that I'm about to start on the Firebird, man. So on the fire chicken. So yeah, I gotta let this rest for a second while I go and do what it is that I need to do. But y'all stay tuned, because I'm taking y'all with me. And well, I got 30% left on this battery. I got a battery charging in there. So yeah, And I'm gonna take my pocket juice with me, because I don't think my phone will be charged, so I'm gonna charge the batteries while I'm going out there. And that way we'll have some good footage. Yeah, man, we headed to the junkyard right now to go do something. So let me load up all my tools and stuff, and I'll catch y'all in a second.